This animation is about how to create a Tinkerplot simulation of a game of darts. To begin, drag the sampler down into the worksheet. And type in the names of 4 players. Abigail, Brittany, Carmen, Deidre. Then, change the device to a counter, and set the repeat button to run 12 times, and to select one name each time. Next, run the sampler to see how it works. Then, clean up the graph by hiding attributes that aren't needed. Next, return to the sampler and drag in 2 new devices to choose locations for darts to land. Then, run the sampler again and label the 2 new columns, left-right, and low-high. Next, graph the results. But, label the axes so that they go from -12 to 12 in both the low-high and left-right directions. And also, change the devices in the sampler so that they go from -10 to 10 for both the low-high and left-right directions. Then, run the sampler again. Now, to make the simulation more pretty, we can paste a picture into the background. Finally, the simulation can be made more interesting if we give each dart player a different profile of throwing characteristics by dragging more devices into the sampler, and by changing the characteristics in each device. When this is finished, run the sampler again to make sure that the sampler is working as you think it should. If the sampler is working the way it should, then, to see which color goes with each player, just ask Tinkerplots to label the points. Then, click off the labels to run the simulation again.